Alright, welcome back to the channel, y'all. If you've never been here before at BrainFLoTv/Hot Topics TV, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell next to the subscribe button so you are notified every time a new video goes up on BrainFLoTv/Hot Topics TV. You already know, if the topic is hot, we're on it. Jacksonville rapper Ksoo's murder trial now gets a new date. A new start date. The first-degree murder trial, which was originally set to begin this Monday, has been now pushed back into 2025. Kind of like YNW Melly's murder trial. That's been pushed back to September of 2025. But we talking about Ksoo's murder trial right now. And who Ksoo is, and how Ksoo, top goon, shatta, killer, got into the situation he is in. It says Jacksonville rapper Ksoo's murder trial has been pushed back 7 months into 2025 after a Duval County judge set a new trial date for his trial Monday. Monday is when his trial was supposed to start. And when they went to court, the judge said, it ain't starting today, but we got a new start date. Several months from now. Now he's 25 years old, just like YNW Melly is. Coincidence? The 25 years old, whose real name is Hakeem Robinson, he is charged with murder in the first degree as a criminal gang member. The indictment states, in the killing of 23-year-old Charles McCormick, also known by his nickname Lil Buck. Ksoo's older brother, Abdul Robinson Jr., 29 years old, and his father, Abdul Robinson Sr., who is 53 years old, and Dominique Banner, who's 30 years old, and a 23-year-old Leroy Whitaker, also known as ATK Scotty, are also charged in McCormick's murder. Now, if you know anything about the war in Jacksonville with Julio Foolio and all that other stuff, and Yungeen Ace and his ATK Ace top killers, hey, that's what the law enforcement in Florida says. They said they did their research on the streets and in the gangs and whatever, and the intelligence that they came up with says that ATK means Ace's top killers. Okay, so Young and Ace, according to them, not me, got some top killers, and this is some of them that's right here. Now, with that said, this is where they get charged. Police and prosecutors alleged that Robinson Sr. is the leader of a violent gang known as ATK. Now, I don't know why the police would say that means Ace top killers if Robinson Sr. is the leader, or maybe that's just how things work out. Which again stands for Ace top killers, Ace's top killers, and has rapper Young and Ace as its most notable member. His son, Hakeem, is believed to be a top member. Here are the charges each defendant is facing in what prosecutors are calling a capital murder trial case, according to court records. Now, you got Abdul Robinson Jr., which is Ksoo's older brother rather, and he is facing first-degree murder and accessory after the fact. Then you got Abdul Robinson Sr., which is Ksoo's father, and he's facing accessory after the fact and soliciting to commit a capital felony. Then you got Leroy Whitaker, and he is facing first-degree murder, burglary with assault or battery, and home invasion robbery. And then you got Dominique Banner, and he is facing home invasion, robbery, burglary with assault or battery. So, in Ksoo Robinson Jr. and Whitaker's last court appearance in July, Ksoo's attorney filed a motion for continuance which basically is a request to the courts to have a court date postponed. He told the judge outstanding discovery needs to be completed. A similar statement was made in Monday's court hearing too, as the prosecutor said, quote unquote, "Judge, there are some depositions the defense indicated that they want to take. A couple of the witnesses I am trying to locate, and as soon as I have that, we'll have those depositions set." I've learned from the YNW Melly trial what depositions are. Basically, you got to get on the stand and you got to be cross-examined, right? They're trying to find these witnesses, but they can't find them apparently, so they need some time. The judge then marked March 31st of 2025 as the start date of the trial, beginning with jury selection. He then set the next court date for Ksoo, Robinson Jr., and Whitaker on October 2nd of 2024. This will be their final pretrial hearing, will be on March 2024, on March 24th of 2025, rather. Now, then their trial date will be March 31st, 2025. That's how that works out. So with that said, according to the police and prosecutors, McCormick was fatally shot in Dames Point Plaza on Merrill Road on January 15th of 2020. An off-duty officer witnessed the shooting. They didn't care. They blew him out in broad daylight. Blew him down in broad daylight. Now, according to a warrant, the officer saw a gunman stand over McCormick and shot him with a rifle before fleeing in a Nissan Altima. So they shot him. He ran him down. They shot him. He started crawling. They walked down on him and they shot him point blank with a rifle. The shooter was caught on surveillance video, and prosecutor says that Hakeem Robinson is that man in the picture. We talking about Ksoo. He is the man in the picture. He's not only a rapper, he is a killer, multitasking, according to them. Now, after the shooting, the officer chased that Nissan until it crashed because they were trying to get away and they couldn't outrun the police. So the car crash that they were in, and 3 people jumped out of the car and fled, according to the warrant. Prosecutors say that Hakeem Robinson's fingerprints were found on a rifle that was left in the car, and his hair was also found on a t-shirt that was nearby. We talking about forensic evidence here, boy. Now, after the incident, the warrant says that Robinson posted mocking comments on his Instagram account, including a Lil Buck video that captioned, "Bye bye." So they killed him, and then they went to Instagram and they put up his video and they posted "bye bye" with emojis of waving hands. Bye, you're out of here. You know, we just took your life. We know you're not alive no more. Another post was of him getting a pedicure with the caption, "Kill a nigga, then go get my toes done." Oh my God. And this is according to the warrant. Kill a nigga, then go get my toes done. Diabolical. Abdul Robinson is set to testify against his sons and Whitaker in the trial that was originally set to begin on Monday. In an April 2022 interrogation video, Robinson Sr. implicated his own sons, Whitaker and Barner, as being involved in the crime. Barner is also cooperating with the investigation. Ksoo is the one that they threw up under the bus, and he's the one that's going to have to take the charges. God damn. They wicked, wicked. His own brothers threw him up under the bus. Leroy Whitaker is ATK Scotty. He's the one that's charged with the 2020 death of Charles McCormick, and Lil Buck in a Jacksonville shopping center, aka Little Buck, in a Jacksonville shopping center. ATK Scotty is basically growing up behind bars, and he looks pretty different now from when he was arrested. He put on some weight. He changed his dreadlocks to a different style, and he's going through it. Dominique Barner, now he's charged with murder along with home invasion and robbery as well. And of course, this whole time, Young Ace is out here chilling, making music, living the rap star life, and nobody is bringing his name up in any of this. So again, March 31st of 2025 is when Ksoo's murder trial will begin. Not just for him, but for ATK Scotty and whoever else is involved with these charges. It's amazing that their own daddy switched on them, snitched on them, and is working with the feds to get them put away so he could walk free. But I'm thinking they probably agreed that all of us can't go down for this because it's going to look bad. Father and his two sons all getting a life sentence. Might as well let one person take the fall and everybody else fall back and do what we got to do to stay free because the family needs us. You feel me? I'm going to leave this one right here. Y'all leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one, and I'll catch you on the next video. It's BrainFLoTv / Hot Topics TV. You already know, if the topic is hot, we are on it. I'm out. Peace.